Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Telegram account without phone number. So guys, if you want to use your Telegram without phone number, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your Telegram, and guys, after this, here you can see here you need to put your phone number. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys you need to open any internet browser, and guys here you need to search temp phone number. And guys, after this, here you need to open this website, that is tempnumber.com. And guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and guys from here you need to select any country. For example, I am going to select US. And guys, after this, from here you need to select any phone number. So guys, for example, I am going to open this one. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds, as you can see. So guys, I am selecting again. So guys, after doing this you need to wait for a few seconds, and guys from here you need to copy this phone number. And guys, after this, open your Telegram. Here you need to select your country, because I have selected the phone number of United States, therefore you need to select your United States country. And guys, here you need to paste your phone number that you have copied now. And guys, after this you need to click on continue, and guys you will receive an OTP on this website below, as you can see here. Simply you need to copy that OTP, and guys you need to paste here that OTP, and guys your account will be created successfully. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.